A to Z.
Yes,
So you
yes,
start
yes.
reading that.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, सो पहले आप A to Z वाला वो करो, उसके बाद हम vocab क्लासेस जो है वो क्लास में करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, वर्ड रूट्स इटिमोलॉजीज वगैरह हम क्लास में करेंगे. ठीक है, सो हियर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑन योर कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. The prepositions are highlighted with bold letters and they are incorrect. Okay, so you have to supply the correct preposition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. No, first do it 1 to 15. एक बार में कर लो, इकट्ठे कर लो, उसके बाद फिर डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, do 1 to 15. 5 minutes.
Sir, can you explain me again what we have to do?
Here निहाल, ये जो है ना, ये बोल्ड लेटर्स में जो है वो इनकरेक्ट प्रेपोजिशंस हैं, तो आपको करेक्ट प्रेपोजिशन सप्लाई करना है. यू हैव टू रिप्लेस द बोल्ड लेटर प्रेपोजिशन
Yes, sir. Thank you,
with the
sir.
correct one.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes, guys, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So here we go. Do you know the woman I spoke?
Two.
Spoke to. Very good. Okay, what are they conversing
About.
Upon.
about? Yes, good. It has been raining,
For.
or somebody said since. No, since is incorrect. Since is for a specific point of time. I have been living in Shimla since. यहाँ since आएगा. He has been sleeping for. Is used for a stretch of time. Stretch of time. Okay, and since is used for a point of time. Always remember. It has been raining. It has been raining for 2 hours, but it has been raining since 2 o'clock. The book fair begins.
From.
From.
Yes, divide the cloth.
Among.
Yes.
So,
Good.
what is the difference between amongst and among?
No difference at all amongst his old English, among his new English. No difference at all. They went to school.
On foot.
On
Foot. On
Yes. Get
into my
foot.
jeep.
In my
into. Whenever there is a sense of direction and speed, always remember direction and speed. Okay. He jumped into the ditch. Okay. So whenever there is a sense of direction and speed, we always use into. I went
to.
He worked hard
In midnight.
in midnight itself.
till midnight, right? It gets very hot.
During the summer.
They set.
Bye.
In
Yes.
Late in the evening.
They set by what? They set by.
They
No.
set till late
no,
in the evening.
No. More guesses, please.
In.
in
Out.
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 I have given up smoking. I have given up looking at birds. Never look down upon the poor. Right. Well,
Yes.
next 15 questions. Yes, 16 to 30.
So just a query.
Yes, someone was saying something.
Yes, sir, I had a query. So
Yeah,
for this exam, we'll get options, right? MCQ.
yes, very much. But trust me, यार prepositions में options और confusing हो जाएंगे.
Yeah, right.
Abhi it is easier to solve this way. चलें guys, discuss करें. Right, they invited us all.
To dinner.
They invited us all to dinner. Yes, but always remember, the application is invited for the position of somebody. Okay. For example, application was invited for the post of director, but you are invited to marriage party. You are invited to birthday party. So invitation to party, invitation for application. Okay. He is anxious
for
For his daughter's
For his mother was enraged.
Wrong.
by his stupid question.
No, 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 no.
Wrong.
Some more guesses. At
That is stupid question.
his conditions were inconsistent
For reason.
with. Good. Do not stick. Do not stick.
Two outdated
Good.
fashion.
Good. He was to remain confined
On bed.
to bed. He was well conversant
For
in deaf of an ear and blind
Sir,
with an eye. Okay.
heard in also, like in 1 year.
No, 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 not at all. Deaf of an ear. Okay, deaf of an ear. Always remember. I
we
want
can't
to.
use since also here.
No, no, not. I want to dispense. Dispense with your services. They are dispensing with the sledges altogether these days. Okay, he was married
To my best friend.
to. I am good. I am good in English. Is it correct? I am good in English. I am good in mathematics. Is it correct?
I'm good at mathematics.
Good. You are good at something. Good at something. Copy this report.
Two words.
Two word. No, 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 no.
Copy this report.
Word for word. Come one by one. Okay. Copy this report word for word and let's have a one-on-one session. Envious
With.
of.
Envious of this.
The beast took a fancy to. I am not averse to your views. He performed his deeds.
In jealousy.
No, in is correct. Incorrect, sorry. He performed his deeds.
With jealousy.
With jealousy.
I'm not.
Sir, in 27th, it could be for.
Nahi, nahi, nahi. Envious of the success.
Okay.
I was envious of him. He performed his deeds in jealousy. Okay, out of. Not in. Next set, and the last one. Completed, guys?
No, sir. 2 more minutes.
Okay. Yes, guys. Question number 31. My father deals.
In.
In.
Good. Anna is confident
About.
About.
of. Confident of my success. Immersed
In.
In.
in. I am disgusted
With.
at. I am disgusted at. Okay. When the students saw the principal, they took
Of.
to. Disgusted at. I am not at all familiar
With.
with. I prefer lime water
Instead.
to cold drinks. Okay. I should receive what is due to me and I should receive what is due to me and I should pay what is due on me. Okay. Know this difference. The terrorist operated
From.
Did you avail
Of.
The
About.
opportunity.
About.
Did you avail yourself of the opportunity? Did I avail myself of? She avail herself of. ऐसे use करेंगे. He avail himself of the opportunity. I have no vested interest in his selection. Okay. At the end, they resorted to. Oh, sorry, मैंने बता दिया to. He should not have relied
On.
upon him. Water can be found
In.
The surface.
The surface.
On the
On the surface. On the
surface.
surface.
Beneath.
beneath. You must pay the fine
Within.
Within a week.
Within a week.
within a week. Okay. Do not buy a drink. I'm asking this. This is not a written question. I'm asking. Do not buy a drink if you are under 18. Do not buy a drink if you are under 18 or below 18. क्या होगा?
Below
Below
18.
18.
Below 18.
No. It is under 18. Okay. It is under 18. Do not buy a drink. You may buy a drink if you are over 18 or above 18. Over 18 or above 18?
Above 18.
Over 18.
No,
Over
it is
18.
over. So always remember for numbers and age, okay, we use over and under. Above and below nahi use karenge. Okay, guys. Now see, what are the grammar topics that we are supposed to cover for TISS? We will cover prepositions. We will cover verbs, moods and tenses. Okay. Phrases and parts of speech. These 4 topics only. For TIS, as far as TIS is concerned. As far as any other exam is concerned where English language is of prime importance, for example, we have XAT, we have GMAT, and we have IIFT, because CAT doesn't ask grammar. Okay, so for these exams, there are 6 to 7 topics. Of course, we have parts of speech, but we will be covering all these topics for CAT, GMAT, and for XAT, GMAT, and IIFT. Apart from TIS वाला जो हम करेंगे वो तो करेंगे, ठीक है? Then we have pronouns. Then we have subject, verb, agreement. Okay. Then we have, of course, modifiers. Then we have parallelism. Then we have verbs, moods, and tenses. Okay. And then we have idioms and phrases. These 7 topics we shall be covering. So we'll be covering all these 7. But for TIS specifically, you have to be very particular about prepositions. Okay. So make sure कि कभी भी आप newspaper या कोई भी आप article पढ़ रहे हो ना, तो read it with an open eye for tenses and prepositions. Tense or prepositions. Just be very particular about which preposition has to be used with which word. Okay, guys. So shall we end up the class here itself today?
So could you give this sheet in the group? Could you send this sheet?
I will send this sheet in the group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, could you please take next class on vocab, that how should we prepare for vocab?
vocab के लिए तो मैं ना पूरा 1 घंटे का 2 घंटे का एकदम इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन दूंगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
हाँ, that will be under the title how to approach English language. ठीक है?
Okay.
So we'll see many ways through which we can approach words. Yes, something more. Yes, guys. So कुछ और question है? Shall we end up the class here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, all of you. Thank you. And please